Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to align text in the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device. Whether you want your text aligned to the left, centered on the page, aligned to the right, or justified evenly across the document, Microsoft Word makes it quick and easy. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app on your phone and open the document that contains the text you want to align. Next, tap and hold on the text. Then drag the selection handles to highlight the words, sentence, paragraph, or section that you want to change. Once your text is selected, tap the formatting icon or the home menu to open the text formatting tools. Look for the alignment options in the toolbar. You'll usually see icons from Align Left, Center, Align Right, and Justify. Tap Align Left if you want to your text a position along the left margin, which is the default option for most documents. Tap Center if you want your text placed in the middle of the page, which is commonly used for titles and headings. Tap Align Right if you want your text is positioned along the right side of the page. You can also choose Justify to make the text line up evenly along both the left and right margins for a cleaner and more professional appearance. As soon as you tap your preferred option, the selected text will update automatically. And that's it. That's how you can align text in Microsoft Word Mobile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.